What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rice Rocketeer.
The Rice Rocketeer. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in. Today's just gonna be riding, no talking. Let's go.
Get out, don't you should have gotten that one on camera.
You had me worried for a minute. What was your name?
I had that bike. I missed that bike.
You had one?
Yeah, I loved it. That's cool. What's up, man?
You didn't make a YouTube video about this bike, did you?
Yeah, I made a bunch. I have a channel.
That's you, huh?
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that's so funny.
The Rice Rocketeer.
You want the Rice Rocketeer?
Oh my god.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Actually, there's a really nice route if you go this way.
Absolutely breathtaking.
I was a little faster this time. Let's go faster. I'm all the way from Jersey. This is just my little backyard. Maybe I made a friend here. What's up? Got a few in there.
You're like kind of crossed up in a sense. Overall, pretty good though. I mean,
What's happening? I got a bike, yeah. It's a Tuono V4 factory.
That's my dream bike. That's the one I want.